To get our pot, all right, and we're going to put in the fruits into it like this. So those are the fruits. Nice. Yes, you need to do it that way and leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you use the garlic. But the compound of the garlic will help you a lot when you do it that way. Excellent. So tonight tea is going to be like something different. I did this tea before. I don't know if you guys ever see this tea recipe before. I did it before. This is what's going on. Blueberry, raspberry. So you can go to your supermarket and buy these fruits right here. Raspberry, blueberry, strawberry. And what we're going to do, alright, so you guys can see what I'm doing. All of that beautiful fruits. Yeah. So we're going to put a cup of hot water into the pot. I'm using hot water. Into it. See that? That's amazing, guys. Yeah, man. That looking really good and lovely. Okay. Now, what you want to do? Jackson, what's going on? Big up yourself. Thank you guys for coming on the show. I appreciate it, man. So what we're going to do now, as you guys can see, we got all of that beautiful ingredients right there. So the next thing what we need to do, okay, is mix fruits. So you can go to your supermarket and buy yourself some mixed fruits. We're going to put some cinnamon powder. Just a pinch of cinnamon powder inside of it. We're going to use ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger if you like to. And we're going to put a few cloves in it. And then we are going to mix it. Around like this. Beautiful drink to drink in the evening before you go to work and before you go to bed, I mean. Or you can also drink in the morning. Alright? Yeah. So you guys can see Christmas tea. Alright? If you're looking for something to help you at home in a different way, instead of you want to drink coffee or hot chocolate, then it's coming really handy for you. Alright? Mixed fruit is raspberry, strawberry, and all of these things. You can put cinnamon stick in it if you have cinnamon stick. Beautiful cup of tea. Yeah. If you're looking for something fantastic and an amazing, then yeah, this goes really well for you. Yeah. Christmas tea right here. Mixed fruits, raspberry. I'm using, this is from the supermarket. You can buy the mixed frozen fruits, and use it and make it. All right, yeah, I enjoy it. Good vibes. Mix out everything inside of it. You got cloves, ginger powder, and cinnamon inside of it. Look at that. Amazing. I don't know what you guys think, man. That's what something different I want to do. It's a very, very relaxing tea to drink at home in the Christmas period. Lots of people may not want to do this, so that's why I give you garlic tea. If you feel like you want to drink some garlic tea, then yeah, you can drink yourself some garlic tea. All right, yeah. Look at that, amazing. Very, very nice and relaxing tea. So I'm gonna just break out all of these. So we're gonna turn off the cooker. Wow, amazing. We're gonna take it off of the heat. Yeah, so we just simple pour it off. Pour it off, but I'm going to pour it back into this pot. So you need to cool down a little bit. If you can cool it down, that will be good. If you can cool it down. All right, and that's the cup we're going to be using. So, yeah, that's the beautiful tea this evening, okay? If you want to donate, that's the link right there in the description. Feel free to donate and support the progress, okay? So this is the beautiful cup of tea this evening, which I'm talking about if you guys want to enjoy. If it doesn't sweet for you, I think because the fruits them supposed to be sweet. Very nice one. Very nice. Very, very nice. Doesn't need nothing else in it. Frozen fruits, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, blackberry, and all of these kind of fruits in it. It's amazing, okay? And it is something nice to drink to go at bed in the night. Now, if you like this kind of video, please feel free to leave your comments. Tell a friend, and a friend, tell a friend. This is my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Leave your comments and tell a friend, and a friend, tell a friend. Good vibes, people. Yeah, man. Once again, here it is. Beautiful cup of tea. Now, it's up to you if you want to make that. You can make this one. Okay? And what I'm going to tell you this, I will drink the both of them. Okay? I will drink both of them. Honestly. I'm going to drink the garlic one first, and then I go straight into this. Yes, I will. Okay? Thank you.